Hi, so I have created a password generator app. It's a simple app which generates the password with minimum and maximum length. Set it up, and you can type the length too. It was a suggestion from a friend. So yeah, it's a simple app. So the main purpose is how you can deploy your or React-based application on using GitHub Pages, right? So and another thing is I added CICD. So you just need to push your code to the main branch, and the build and deploying to the GitHub Pages happens automatically. So before doing that, let's just directly do the demo and see whether it's working or not. So if you go to, like, I have deployed to my custom domain. So if you go to this website, right, you can see, like, you can, its application is live. Now what I'll do this background thingy, and we will see, like, it's directly going live using CICD. Like now, yeah. So let's just change it to red or something. Locally, let's test it. Wow, did something wrong here. Yeah. So let's test it locally. Yeah, it's working now. What I'll do, I'll just test code for demo. I'll push my code. So as I said, I added an CI/CD pipeline here. So it will trigger a new build. It's building the new code. I'll explain the steps later. So yeah, it's building the code. Once the build is succeeded, I have created another branch called GH Pages. So GitHub Pages, how it deploys, it just need your index.html file at the root, so that it can trigger the new build and deploy it to GitHub Pages, right? So I'll explain what I did here, so that I do not have to do this step manually. So it's triggering the new build. Now you will see soon see the application will be live on the website itself, and I just needed to push the code. So yeah, build is succeeded. Now if I refresh, see, the app is live, right? So I'll explain what are the steps I did. So if you let's just go to the GitHub itself pages. Yeah, yeah. So simply what I'm doing here is whatever I was doing earlier manually, I did via CI/CD, right? So as I said, I'm firstly, like, checking out the main branch, setting up node, and now I'm going to this GitHub Pages branch, and I'm deleting everything except my CNAME file. So like, if you have seen here, sorry, yeah. So this is the CNAME file, which is essentially automatically generated when you set up the GitHub Pages thing. Now I'm deleting everything except the CNAME file and committing the changes, and I'm going back to my main branch, and I'm triggering a new build, and that build will create a dist folder. Now I'm switching back to GitHub Pages branch, and I'm copying everything inside the dist folder to my root directory. So it will include the index.html file and the asset directory, which have JavaScript and CSS file. And I'm then deleting the dist folder, which is essentially empty, because which is where we copied the code from, and deleting the node folder. And I'm pushing the changes after committing it. So that way, I just need to, like, push the code to my main branch, and it will automatically trigger the build, and that build will update the GitHub Pages branch with the new code which we had triggered the build for. And this new build, using GitHub Actions, will deploy it to my this custom domain. So that way application is live. Let me just quickly revert it. Yep. So now if you see here, a new build will be triggered soon enough. Yep. And it's doing all of that step which you can see on the CI/CD file itself. And now soon that build will be successful, and as the branch has the new code, it automatically triggers this. It's soon gonna be live. Yes, like, if I refresh, the application is deployed. Yep, working fine. Yes, so yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. Thank you.